Here is my favorite fish fry. To know more, let's get into the procedure. Take 2 spoons of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoon of chilli powder, and a pinch of salt. Most important, wash your hands, mix all of them well. Try to use homemade ginger garlic paste. It gives more taste and healthy too. The masala is ready now. Apply the prepared masala to the fish pieces, both on the front and back side, as well as the middle part. The application is shown here. Masala is applied to all the fish pieces. Now rest them for an hour by closing with a lid. Take a pan, add 3 to 4 spoons of oil to it. Heat the oil and gently add the fish pieces to it. Be careful, the oil will be hot. Fry the fish pieces on the both sides until they turn golden brown as shown. The fish won't take much time to cook. I think they are done, and take it to a separate plate. Serve them hot. Aren't they look delicious? If you like this video, please subscribe and share the video.